What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing a video on petting Nala. I know you guys love you some Nala. I love me some Nala as well. I didn't know if this was going to be a good video, but I was browsing Twitter and I said, fuck it, I'll just ask Twitter. 3 people replied to the tweet telling me, yeah, you should probably do that. So here we are. I hope you guys all enjoy it. And my weird little Nala bear, and she's not really that little. She's actually kind of fucking big.
Nala, precious and fluffy, adore how much she loves me. Nala, think she's the shit when you give her catnip 'cause she's Nala, precious and fluffy, adore how much she loves me. Nala, runs into walls without a care at all. What can I say? Love her every day, even when she may be a pain in the A. I swear, she may just not even have a brain, but that's okay, 'cause she is my baby. Lays in bed for snuggles, that girl likes to cuddle, but I swear she may not know how to swim out of a puddle. But she saw, got no claws on her paws, so she gnaws with her jaws till you just say, aww. Nala, precious and fluffy, adore how much she loves me. Nala, think she's the shit when you give her catnip 'cause she's Nala, precious and fluffy, adore how much she loves me. Nala, runs into walls without a care at all. She looks at me like I do no wrong, so that fluffy little feline got her own song. Lift her up and the cat is long. She steps up to her sister like she is strong. Loves some fish in a dish, so she wished that you'd give her a kiss on the lips. She resists till you're pissed. She takes risks, just ask Liz. Wants to sleep on your wrist. She can be such a priss, but we love Miss Nala, precious and fluffy, adore how much she loves me.
I'm going to go ahead and thank everybody who took time out of their day to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until tomorrow, peace out.